Patterson Graham. She too gave the book a 5-star rating. And this is what she said. This book is great. I loved reading from start to finish. The graphics are awesome to grab the attention of the children. It's easily read and provide rhymes, which makes it fun to read. It also provides core value to the kids to be kind and teaches them that they can be whatever they put their mind to. It will help kids to work together and shows the importance of helping others. Overall, it's enlightening and helpful to create an idea of different job descriptions so the kids can understand the various job roles and the importance of school and learning. Thank you, Carolyn.